we are trying to figure out how many times the circumference, then the circumference of the large circle is how many times the circumference of the small circle. It also talks about the area of the shaded region is 3 times the area of the smaller region. Well, let's call this big circle, let's call that radius capital R. And the inside circle, let's call that radius little r. And first, let's find the area of the shaded region. Well, the way you find the area of the shaded region, you would take the area of the big circle, and that would be area equals pi capital R squared minus, subtract off the inside area, which is pi little r squared. So take the area of the whole thing and then bring out this whole, and you're left with like the donut. So what does that tell me? That tells me what? It says if the area of the shaded region, so that's pi r squared minus pi r squared. If the area of the shaded region is 3 times the area of the smaller region, equals 3 times the small one. Is that okay? So let's see what we can. Let's divide everything by pi first. So now we got the big R squared, little r squared equal 3 little r squared, and that's r squared equals 4 r squared, little r squared. Then the circumference of the large circle. See, circumference is 2 pi r. So what I want to do is solve for r in this first equation. So take the square root of both sides, and you get r equals 2r. That's okay. And look, circumference equals 2 pi. Another name for r is 2r. And the circumference, this is the big circumference. And the little circumference would be circumference equals 2 pi little r. And you see how you got 2 pi little r right there? So the big circumference is 2 times that of the circumference of the smaller circle. So your answer is C.